Hello there. If you're more of a graphic designer than a Premiere user, you might be wondering, well, where's my move tool? How can I take this clip here and reposition it? Well, it's not quite the same as it is in InDesign or Photoshop, as you've probably realized, but it's pretty straightforward. What you do, you go up here and activate the effect controls, make that the active panel. And if you can't see it, you'll find it up where everything else is, really, under the window menu. Now when you've got that up, go and make sure you've got this selection tool active here and select the clip itself on the timeline, and then you'll see your effect controls comes to life, as it were, and you can twirl open the motion section. And then you can see position, and it's got hot text there for the horizontal X and the vertical Y, and you can use those to sort of reposition your content. Indeed, you could also rescale it and so on and so forth. And if you prefer more of a kind of a traditional click and drag approach, you can do that as well. Just select the property name. So I'm clicking on the position property name here. You see that sort of highlights in a sort of a lighter grey colour, and then look, I can sort of do what you're probably a little bit more familiar with doing, like that, and I can even rescale it as well. Yeah, and that is how you do it, folks. So the very simple one, but I hope it was useful for you. Thanks for watching now. Bye.